Here is a pair of Sennheiser Momentum 4 wireless headphones. I want to show you how to connect and pair directly to your TCL Smart TV. This is a TCL Android TV. So the first thing we need to do is go to the settings on your TCL TV. You guys may have a settings button on your remote. If not, you can always go to the click on the home page on the remote. Top right hand side, the gear icon is the settings, so we can go up. And then we're going to go right, all the way over to that settings icon right there. Settings, click on OK. From here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Click on OK. And now from here, remotes and accessories, all we're going to do is just click on add accessory. Okay, and as soon as we click on add accessory, now it's searching. Oops, before pairing your devices, make sure that they are turned on and discoverable. Okay, click on OK. So now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode. So now we got to put these into pairing mode. So it's currently off. Let me put these in pairing mode. I'm just going to press and hold this button here. I'm going to press and hold and wait till all the lights here starts blinking. So I'm holding, wait. Okay, now all the lights are moving. Now it's in pairing mode, and it just popped up on my screen up there. I see the Momentum 4s right there. So let me go ahead and click on that. Now it says pairing, Bluetooth pairing request. I'm going to click on pair right there. And it says it's connecting right there. Now it said it's paired. And give it 1 second. And we can see that it's connected. Okay, so there we go. So now I can use these to watch YouTube or Netflix or whatnot. Okay. Also, if you had issues where you can't get it to connect or pair, or maybe you can't even put it into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these as well. Okay, the link is below how to do that. All right, good luck, guys.